massive convoy carries a seemingly impossible volume of raw crop. How can a single facility process this mountain of earth before it spoils?
All right, next truck, bring it forward to the line. Make sure you have your signed manifest ready at the gate. Bay 3 is clear now, pull ahead.
This instantaneous explosion from rock-hard flake to soft powder is
The water is thick with mud. How does the factory separate the cleaned food from this massive volume of agricultural wastewater? Why does the optical sorter target certain routes that look perfectly fine to the human eye? The machine is detecting invisible internal density defects. The raw material is now perfectly clean and pure orange. But how do they transform these large, solid chunks into a manual inspection ensures absolute purity? What advanced automated slicing machine takes these trimmed roots next? These millions of tiny, wet cubes are full of moisture, and how can they possibly dry them down efficiently without cooking them into a mushy puree?
The blanching locks in the brilliant color, but now the cubes are hotter and wetter than ever. What massive thermal dehydration system can strip this moisture away?
Why must the drying process take 4 long hours at a relatively low temperature instead of using intense heat to flash dry the product? These hard, dried amber pebbles are completely unpalatable now. How will the high-speed milling system smash them into an ultra-soft, luxurious flour texture?
The package is filled. But how do they seal this fine powder safely without any product escaping or allowing air to spoil the contents?
The pouch is sealed and coated, but does it pass the final density and foreign object checks required for global distribution? Once approved by the X-ray, how are these individual pouches packed into bulk quantities without slowing down the fast-moving line? The massive pallet is wrapped and ready. Where does it go to join the thousands of others produced every single day? This storage bay holds thousands of units. How long will they rest here before the fleet arrives to distribute them across the globe?
All right, driver, easy over the plate. Push it all the way to the front. We are clear for seal.
The trucks arrive at the city borders. How does this industrial bulk shipment break down into individual units on a local grocery shelf?
The product has reached its destination. How will a consumer transform this raw agricultural ingredient into a finished culinary creation at home?